Dear students, I hope you all are safe and sound by the grace of Almighty. Today, I will discuss the uses of definite article. Definite article the is used before both singular and plural numbers, and it is the same for all genders. Usually, definite article the is used before a definite person or thing. If a person or thing is used definitely, is indicated definitely, we can use the before the person and object. For example, look at the picture. Here, definite article the has been used before the noun picture because the noun picture has been indicated definitely, and that's why definite article the has been used here. In this way, we can use the before pictures. Look at the pictures. Here, the word pictures is a noun and it is plural in form as it has been indicated definitely. So, definite article the has been used here. In this way, we can use the before bird or birds. For example, look at the bird or look at the birds. So, for indicating an object or a thing definitely, we have to use article the. Dear students, I think you have understood. Dear students, if an indefinite person or thing is used for the second time in a text, we use the, because when an indefinite noun is used for the second time, it becomes definite, and that's why we use the before it. For example, there is a boy in the field. The boy is my younger brother. In the first sentence, the noun boy is indefinite, and that's why indefinite article has been used. But in the second sentence, this indefinite noun has been used for the second time and it has become definite, and that's why I have used the before it. Dear students, to indicate whole race, we use the. For example, the cow is a useful animal. Here, the common noun cow indicates the whole race. It indicates each and every cow of the world. And so, definite article the has been used before the common noun cow. In this way, we can use the before the rose. For example, The rose is very beautiful to look at. Dear students, here the noun rose indicates each and every rose of the word. It indicates the whole class of rose. So the has been used before the word rose. Dear students, if a noun is followed by a preposition of, we use the before the noun. Dear students, in most cases, if a noun is followed by preposition of, we use the before the noun. Here the structure is the plus noun plus of. For example, the number of, the glass of water, the battle of Plassey, the battle of Panipat, etc. Dear students, there is an exception of this rule. In some cases, we use a before a noun, though the noun is followed by preposition of. For example, a kind of, a sort of, a number of, etc. But in most cases, we use the before the noun if it is followed by preposition of. Dear students, the is used before every unique object found in nature. That is, definite article the is used before every unique object in the world. For example, the earth is round. Here, the earth is a unique object of the world, and that's why here the word earth is a unique object in nature, and that's why I have used the before the word earth. In this way, we can say the moon, the sun, the sky, the Venus, the Mars, the Orion, etc. Dear students, I think you have understood. Dear students, stay home, stay safe, study attentively at home. See you later. Bye.